AI is about to change the stock market, but most of you are not prepared for what is coming. Do you know that you can now turn Claude or ChatGPT into a full-fledged professional stock trader? It's going to give you signal on what stock to buy, when to sell it, how to track smart money to know when they are buying and when they are selling, and it's even going to build you a dashboard where you can track every single thing in the stock market and tell you all of the details you need about your portfolio, when to sell and things like that. Now, one of the most underrated features is when it spots this stock to buy, it can go ahead to your stockbroker and buy it right away for you and manage the portfolio accordingly. When you think about everything going on with AI, it is actually insane, and honestly, this is the greatest time to get rich with AI, and you can't afford to mess it up. Like, some of you are thinking, is this the best time to get into AI, or should I just fold my hands and watch people explore it? The best thing you can do right now is to explore the potential of AI now that it's still very early, and be among the first group of people that will capitalize on AI before it becomes a common thing to everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do every single one of the things I've mentioned so that you can replicate these things by yourself. But one thing I've realized is most of you haven't subscribed to this channel. Videos like this are so difficult and it takes time to make. And one way you can encourage me to say you like my content is just by subscribing. So it is actually free to subscribe. Why haven't you subscribed? Click on it right now and subscribe right away. Have you done that? So let me start with how you can build this dashboard, and after that, I'm going to show you how you can track smart money so that you can instantly buy when they are buying and sell when they're actually selling. To get started with this first part of this video, you need to install Claude Code. You can also use ChatGPT to do this, but I think for me, I like Claude a lot, especially when it comes to building complicated things like this. But when it comes to like asking random questions, I use ChatGPT a lot. Now, what you're going to do is, once you've installed it, you need to install it in your PC. Just go to claude.com/download and you'll be able to install it. Now, once you're done with that, you would come over and put in this prompt you can see on this screen right here. Look at this prompt. I'll make this thing public so you can actually go ahead and just copy and paste them. So what I'm just going to do is to copy this now. I'm going to open Claude. All right, so when you open up Claude, this is what it shows, but you're going to go here and select code and come over here and put in that prompt, click on enter. And it's going to get to work right away. All right, so I've been able to do every single thing I needed to do, and straight up it opened up like this, opened up this page. So this is I've been able to create my own dashboard from scratch, which tracks my entire portfolio. Now, if this is not what you're holding, I mean, you can rebalance it based on what you're holding. You just come here and tell it, hey, I want to change the list of stocks I have, blah blah blah. Tell it to this is the amount, this is my real capital, this is the stock I have, and all of that. It's going to rebalance every single thing for you. So just give it the prompt and click on enter. It's going to preview all of it and change it. All of this data are going to change instantly, but I'm not interested in that because this alone here is enough for me. If I want to generate signals, if signals come, they come in here, but I mean, if I want, I can just click on generate and it's going to scan and give me what signal to take. And there's also an advisor here, which I can come here, ask anything. So what should I rebalance today, or what is my biggest risk? I can just ask it and send it. It's going to give me a response right here, easy peasy. So you can see this here is having as my AI advisor, and whenever there's a signal for me to sell a particular or sell or buy a particular stock, it's going to show up right here. So if I want to make it look more beautiful for those of you that care about aesthetics and the rest of them, you can just give it the prompt, I don't like how this looks, and blah blah blah. It should do it to look quite better, and it's going to do it for you right away. But that's not what I'm interested in, because there is much more we need to do. So let's go back to the second section in this video, which is how you can track smart money and buy whatever they are buying. So the US congressmen has been some of the most profitable traders over the past few years. That is because they have access to information before the public. Now, tracking what some of these congressmen has bought and sold in the past few years has actually outperformed the S&P 500 and even most individual stocks. If you look right here, I'm using two platforms to do a comparison: Unusual Whales and Quiver Quantitative. So this is the top congressman return in 2025. So the first person here is Warren Davidson, 78%, 70%, and you can see a list of all of them. So the list here is around 41%. And for Quiver Quantitative, Tim Moore is the first with 52%, and the minimum here is John Kennedy, which is 29%. Now, why this is giving us two different data, it is because unusual whales measures portfolio value changing from January to December, all holding included, whether traded or not traded that year. But Quiver Quantitative focuses more on performance of actively traded position, stocks bought and sold during that year, not just held. So any one of your choice you want to go with, that's fine. But what I'm trying to say here is you can see that this, just by tracking what these guys are buying and selling, has actually outperformed the S&P 500, which did, I think, somewhere around 9 to 10% last year. All right, so if you want to track what they're buying and selling, then we can use a platform called Capital Trades. So this is the platform right here. Now what I'm going to do is to include data from this platform on our dashboard right here. So I'm going to tell Claude to work on it, and it's going to expand this and add it here, and it's also going to automatically do the copy trading by itself. So whenever any of them buys, it's going to show up here, and then it's going to automatically buy for me right away. To do that, I'm going to go back to Claude and I'm going to give it the following prompt. So here's the prompt I came up with. Hey, I'm trying to set up a copy trading bot, blah blah blah. I've given you access, so I'm just going to copy it. Find two politicians who have performed really well in the stock market recently and is actively trading. Copy their trades, okay, and set up a cron job and all of this. I'm just going to copy this right here and paste it. So I pasted their website first of all, and I'm going to paste that prompt over here. Okay, so since I've given it the prompt, it's going to start running. It's asking me to approve, so I'm just going to click on allow always. It's also going to help me, and I've given it the amount I want to purchase. Now I mentioned Alpaca. Yeah, Alpaca is actually a platform you can use to trade stock. But one thing I like them is they give you a paper trading account where it's not real money. Rather, you can do the paper trading for some time. I understand if this is working before you transcend to live trading. So that is why I'm actually using them. I talked about how you can set up all of that in my previous video on how you can use Claude to start trading the stock market. The video is already live on my channel, so go to my channel right now. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. So you can see that all of that is done right here. You can see it has gotten all the authentication and everything it did. You can see the capital trade BFF requirements. It has done every single thing. And right now the backend fixed top 5 politicians now tracked is also there. So these are the politicians here, and these are their averages. And then it is actually copy trading them completely. It's copy trading them, and that is actually done on Alpaca. And politicians, you can see the average return and all of those details. So if I go back, if I go to the website, you can see every one of that. This is my portfolio. I think this is not working anymore. This that shows how my portfolio is moving, but that's not a problem. You can just take a screenshot, tell it why is the line not move, why is it not showing anymore. It's going to just solve the problem. But yeah, you can look at my total portfolio, unrealized, total and every other thing right there, the assets I'm holding. And this is my AI advisor, and if you scroll down here, you now have the top performance. This is the politicians I'm actually tracking. So this guy here 14%, this one 13%, this one seems to be 9%. So I think the value are coming down. I can basically just take a screenshot and go over there and tell it, why are you copy trading someone with 9%? I wanted people that outperformed S&P 500, so change it and fix the person I'm copying, fix it. So it's just going to change them. It's going to look over it and change it right away. It's very, very easy. Every single thing you tell it is going to do it. And you can see the copy trading is on right here. This is the recent buy. So the last time this one bought was in February of 2026. This one bought in April of 2026. So this ones they are buying in 2026. The only thing is some are more recent. So if I want to still change them to more recent ones, I can say, okay, this is what I want you to change and blah blah blah. And if you look right here, these are the trades I'm currently copy trading. I have $92,000 in cash, and out of which my portfolio is still $99,000. You can see my positions. I have two stocks I'm holding, Nvidia and Tesla. You can see all of that right here. And even if I want to make this website look more beautiful, like classy and the rest of that, I can just tell it to make it look futuristic or look like possibly anything at all. Give you the examples of some of the websites I want it to look like, so it would be more beautiful. It's gonna do that. But me, I really don't care about the beauty. I'm just curious as to if it's doing the job I'm actually giving it. And right now it's doing the job already, so there's no need to bother about that. But I mean, if you want aesthetics, you can basically fix it. So this is all of it about this video. I really hope you got a lot from it. Let me know if I think like the recent videos I've been posting about Claude AI has been getting a lot of traction, but let me know if you still love this kind of videos and want me to make more videos around this. I might consider making more videos around it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to watch the first video about how you can set up the copy trading platform, you can check out the video. I'm going to leave the link in the description, and check out my channel for recent videos I've posted. Make sure you've liked this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to watch any of our recent video as to how you can actually make money with Claude AI and automations and the rest of that, then click right here to watch.